Welcome to this episode of the Gardens of the Lazy Acre. Today I'm going to create an outdoor sink for my outdoor kitchen. I'm going to use some recycled, thrifted, and free items from Facebook Marketplace to create this project. So I'm going to bring you along on the journey. Stay tuned. Alright, so here we go. This is the area that this project is going to take place. I have a water spigot right here in the back. This is by the back door of the house. This is the spot. And what I have, I was very fortunate to be in the right place at the right time to get all of these blocks for free on Facebook Marketplace. Now this is a block called Crediblock. It has been used in the past. It's been glued down. There are little Tootsie Roll plastic pieces that are supposed to go in here. Unfortunately, there are no Tootsie Roll plastic pieces that go with this, but there's different sizes, right? There's medium block, small blocks, large blocks. And the reason I was really excited about this is because 25 years ago, I built some retaining walls using this block. I have it here. I have it along here. This is going to be a whole nother project for this block. But today, I'm focusing on this area. The first step is going to be to pull up these caps. If memory serves me correct, and it's been 25 years, so I may encounter some interesting things when I pull these up. I believe these are sitting on top of another layer of blocks. So I should have something about that thick. This whole thing is sitting on a concrete slab. Underneath this whole thing here is a concrete slab. I want to get this up about, 3 feet or so. I have this solid heavy-duty copper tub, which I got for 10 bucks about a year ago. That's going to be my sink. So let's see where this project takes us. Alright, so I removed the caps to see what was going on here exactly. I don't remember putting these in, but apparently I did. These are blocks that are, I think it's the same block as this, that is sitting on top of the concrete. There's a little gap of about 3 inches. I had to remove a block that was underneath this pillar. I'm also going to have to take a chip out of that one. But I do have a solid base to put the retaining wall block on, so let's go from there. Alright, so I have the wall up. Here's where we stand. A couple things to look at. I have a notch out of this one because I need a place to put the drain through. We're going to have a garden hose that comes up here. This is actually going to have a brass Y on the nozzle, or on the spigot, so I can still have water coming out here as well as water going toward the sink. So, ready for caps. I think I have enough room there. Please don't look at my window. I know that needs replacing. So, here we go. Alright, so here's where we are right now. I have the wall built. This is where the faucet, or I'm sorry, this is where the sink is going to go. The hole for the drain. Garden hose is going to come up here, come up here. I'm thinking somewhere over here, the contraption to pour the water into the sink is going to go. So, on to the next phase, the plumbing. So I've been kind of going back and forth about what to do for a faucet. And I wanted something truly unique and truly different. I picked this up at the Goodwill last summer. I've been trying to think of different things I could use it for. I have experimented with it. to see about getting the water to come out the spout. It's higher than the fill, so the water tends to come out here. But I'm thinking if I drill a hole in the bottom and then snake a rubber tube up as far as it'll go, this gets narrower and narrower and narrower. But if I sneak it up as far as it'll go, maybe to here, then it'll be exclusive to that area, exclusive-ish to that area, and the water will come out the spout and pour directly into the sink. Plan A. Plan A. Should it be there? Should it be there? Got this really cool globe. I don't really want to interfere with that. This might be too close. It might interfere visually, so I'm thinking over here. That way I have room to, wash hands, water a pot, set some things down. Yeah, we'll see. Plan B. This is just loosely on here, but plan B. And then my son came up with this brilliant idea. This is a solid brass circus elephant. It used to be a telephone. It used to, oh my gosh, I can't do this one-handed. This thing had the dial on it, and this was attached like so. Had the dial on it, was attached like so. But it's hollow. And that would make, oh my gosh, again, one-handed. That would make a really interesting nozzle. I think that's what we're going to do. Got to figure out how to do this, but this is what we need to do. See where this goes. Alright, so here's where we are in this project. I have the sink in place. You have the drain in it. It's currently just draining down the back side of the wall. I need to get the drain going out over to that direction. But for now, that's where we are. The faucet, which is what this is, you're going to control the water from the water spigot. I have a Y on the water spigot, which can conveniently, with this elbow and this dishwasher line, which goes up, oh my gosh, I can't reach here, through here, up inside the elephant, through a copper tubing, and then it goes down into the elephant's foot, and it will come out here. Now, I know it looks like it's gonna not quite hit the tub, but it actually shoots out in that direction. Everything is kind of wet right now. The glue is that's holding the elephant in place is not quite set. We'll add another video to show the completed project. This goes on here, but that's what this is going to look like when it's all done. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited about this project. Here it is, the finished project. Just a refresher. It matches the crevice stone wall on this side and elsewhere throughout the patio area. The elephant. Wow, it just made such an interesting faucet. So, here it is. Certainly enough to wash your hands. Until next time, the gardens of the Lazy Acre.